What are the implications of artificial intelligence in the workplace? Hi, I'm Bill Carmody. And one of the things that I hear a lot about artificial intelligence in the workplace is that it's going to replace my job. And I know that that's a fear. And it's something that a lot of people are going to be thinking about. And if what you do is you shove data from over here to over there, then you're right. It's going to take your job. If all you do is you take forms in triplicate and do the mind-numbing job of putting it into a different system or process, your days are numbered at that job. So I'm sorry to inform you, but I'm also not sorry, because what it means is that it allows you to say, well, then how am I actually adding value to this organization? AI in the workplace is going to empower people so that the mind-numbing nonsense is gone. We don't have to play with that anymore. And instead, what's replaced is thinking about how you're making things better. The closer you are to adding value to the people who buy your product or service, the more effective you're going to be in your role. So artificial intelligence is just a tool to allow you to be more effective at what you do. So for example, if you're in customer service, AI might prompt, here's the response to the email that I think we should write based on this customer circumstance. And you're like, cool. But if you just hit send, you haven't added any value. If you instead say, okay, great, how do I customize this so it doesn't sound like a machine wrote this email? You're going to make some tweaks and some adjustments. That also teaches the machine how to make it even more personal the next time around. You're adding value, the machine's learning from the value you're adding, and it becomes much more effective. See, artificial intelligence will never replace creativity. That is one of the beautiful things about what we do as human beings is we lead with our heart, and AI leads with your head. And so if it's all the brain data science stuff, yeah, there's a lot of those implications we're going to have, and those will play out in the workplace. But if you're thinking about the emotional connections, the creativity, that place of genuine value add, that's where you have your safe harbor in the workplace. And the more you're connected to the needs of your customers, and the more you're connected to the needs of your internal team, and thinking about what it is that's going to actually help enhance their lives, the more likely you are to have job security for the rest of your life. But in those places where you think you're going to be disrupted, the time is now to shift. Learn about some of this technology. Play with it. Don't be afraid of it. Because the thing is, you're either going to master it and you're going to have it as a tool in your toolbox, or if you're doing the mind-numbing stuff and you're just stuck in your ways, you will be replaced by computers. But the thing is that you didn't like that job anyway. It was mind-numbing, right? So think about how do you shift and change and retool yourself. You have the opportunity to educate yourself in a way that's going to help you really dominate the workplace by using powerful tools like artificial intelligence to be even better at what you do. Just keep adding value. That's how you're going to be successful.